Hello, Daisy. How are you?
Hi, Ahmed. I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing very good. Thanks for asking.
You're like, Daisy, where are you?
You read my mind.
Yeah, I know. I can imagine. I'm sorry. I have been really busy.
No.
Then we had technical problems. I was changing my computer as well, and this
Mhm.
one is not working because I have a new computer and it's not. I don't know what's wrong, but with Cambly, sometimes we have some technical problems. So I'm using my old computer, and I hope it's fine. I'm gonna be here on this one. I think
Yeah,
it's
I think Cambly has an issues nowadays. Still happened until now.
Yes, yes, but it's okay. I understand they are implementing new features,
Upgrade. Yeah.
upgrading. They're upgrading, of course, I understand, but I don't know. Maybe it's not the computer. Maybe it's the browser. It's the browser, right? So we
Yeah.
have many different browsers. We don't have just Chrome. I have on this computer some other browser, and it's not compatible. I think that's the reason, right?
I think Google Chrome it's the best browser that you will use in
Yes.
your sessions.
Yes,
I
yes.
think there are many browsers like Mozilla and Chrome and Opera,
Yeah, Opera is not
Safari.
working. Opera is not working. It's not
Y-
compatible.
so
Yeah.
you tried it before.
I tried. Chrome is the best, actually. Yes, Chrome is the best for many different things, not just for Cambly. So, how are you? How are you, Ahmed?
I'm good.
Okay.
Do you know? I told myself, wow, Daisy ignored me like the second time. No, I'm out.
Oh, no, no, no. Of course I haven't. How can I forget you? No, of course not. Definitely not.
Yeah. I saw your message the last time when you told me that there are a technical support. Actually, I called another tutor because I think our reservation it was cancelled by
Mm-hmm.
Cambly, and
Mm-hmm.
they messaged me and told me that we will give you extra day.
Yes,
So
yes, yes. You know what? What has happened? We mentioned this because it is happening. It's maybe sometimes my fault. Maybe it's Cambly's fault. Maybe it's not compatible with whatever I'm using. But I noticed something. I'm gonna tell
mm,
you. It is what it is. But I have talked with two different people from two different countries. Okay, they're both in the Middle East, but they said that they cannot see my profile or that they cannot make a reservation. And I'm like, what do you mean? Like, you can message me, but you cannot make a reservation? And then they said, I had a reservation with you and you didn't show up. And I'm like, I'm sorry, there was no reservation. So what's going on? And
uh-huh.
then he asked me again. I'm like, okay, I am percent sure that you did not have a reservation with me. There's something wrong with Cambly. And then he wrote, and then he made the reservation. I'm like, okay, now it's so there are technical issues. That it is what it is, right? And there's another
Yes.
person who I talked with, and he keeps messaging me, and he's like, why? So there are some things. It's like a Bermuda Triangle, a mystery we don't know.
No, but actually, not the problem just on your profile. No, all the tutors they have the same problem because nowadays, no, not just nowadays, in 2 days ago, many students messaged me and asked me about this situation, this problem. Like when I want to reserve a tutor, the message showed up to me like sorry, like just like call again or go
Yes.
back
Yeah.
again. Yeah. So
Yeah.
I thought just this problem happened to me, but I figure out that it's a general problem.
It is. Yeah, it is. I think, okay, maybe because they're updating the system, many things probably. I don't know. I'm not in charge. I don't know. People are okay. We can talk about something else, for example,
Yeah.
because they are like Cambly is expanding, right? So
Yeah,
they're
it's
searching.
become very, very famous on the Middle East.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Also because of you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. No, actually,
Yes, yes.
because of you, because you're best tutor on Cambly.
It's okay. I have my let's say features. You know, I have my like you buy a product and what's the what the features of this product? Daisy is funny.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
I mean,
you combine between funny and intelligent, clever. These things.
thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you. So whatever. Okay, yes, we are searching for new tutors, right? And especially for children, because children's
mhm,
platform is also expanding, especially because of COVID-19. There are many children stayed at home. They're still going to continue,
yeah,
with their schooling probably remotely. So we need a lot of children teachers, tutors.
uh-huh.
And I think I posted that on Facebook. I think I don't know how many people saw that. I think hundreds of
Mhm.
people, I think 100, really, I'm not exaggerating, they applied through my referral link. Nothing happened.
Eh.
And then I said, okay, I guess maybe I made a mistake, but this is how they said that I should do this. And then I posted again, and people were like, you know what, you posted this one time and nothing happened. So are we gonna be successful now? And I said, you know what, you have to understand, it's not a new company, but it's a company that is expanding very fast. And if something
Yeah,
is expanding fast, things cannot go smoothly. Transition is like bumpy, right? So
yeah,
I said, okay, be patient, let's try it again. And then we tried it in a different way. So what happens is that they apply through my referral link, right? And then I can see how many teachers have applied, and I'm like, oh, finally, okay. But
I,
yeah, now it's working. But this is a learning process. So it's I'm learning as well, how things work. And this is,
yeah.
and by the
But
way, yeah, I'm sorry, yeah.
I think when you post this post, at timing, it's not meeting schedule for Cambly because it had issues. So
Yeah,
maybe you have to post it again
yes.
after Cambly. It's going good working.
Yeah, I mean, we'll see. You have to be persistent in these times. There are many teachers, many teachers in general looking for work, right? Because
Yeah.
school is not how it used to be, right? So we have a lot of competition. By the way, I got a job offer,
Hmm.
uh, like a proper job offer, I'm it's a international company, sales, marketing. So I'm going to be doing something else besides teaching now.
Hey.
I graduated last Wednesday, and today I got a job offer. So yay.
Yeah, you are doing great job.
Yes.
So, well, about just yeah, please, yeah. So, also, you work remotely or
Yes,
just in?
remotely.
It's
Yes,
okay.
yes,
Remotely,
remotely.
okay.
Yes, it's remotely. The company is in Europe, but they are like, let's say, Switzerland, English, Slovenian company. It's like
Mm.
Western European company, but they don't need me to be in the office. So yes, I can work from Canada, I can work from Croatia, I can work from Spain, I can work from Iraq,
Yeah, everywhere.
everywhere. Yeah.
So, tell me if by talking about the tutors they use your refer code. What you got from Cambly?
Okay, I think this is a special promotion that they have right now. I think I made maybe like $20 or something, but it's not enough that they apply only. They have to be accepted and they have to teach for 10 hours and then I get something.
So
Yeah.
I think Cambly always has a plan for tutor and for student to raise their wealthy, like to be expanded, like I said.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's normal. I mean, actually this system, I don't know if you have that in Iraq, but this system is very popular in the West. And this is an American company. Cambly is an American company, as you know, right?
Yeah.
That actually you refer somebody that you know, you invite to a company, and if they are good, you get some percentage, like not a lot, like a small thing, right? But
Yes.
that's how it works. Yeah, it's very popular here in America.
Like when you recommend for something not for free, you will have to get some money
Yes,
about your service.
yes, for your service, exactly. Yes,
Yeah,
exactly.
that's fair enough.
Yeah, it's fair. It's fair. Yeah.